Sometimes this life, it's too much. I miss the wide open plains, feeding cows hay, helping dad fence all our land. I guess I'm just old-fashioned in the way I was raised. Working hard's all that we did. But the work I do now has got my head in the clouds, thinking of simpler days. I was raised by the mountains, grew straight from the wind. No one can take that away. It feels like I'm growing away from my roots. Feels like I'm drifting away. Someday I hope to escape to a place far away. To a place far away.